Hey guys, hello everyone who's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider and today you will get to know how you can make money in 2019, because it's really important, guys, to use that tools, to use that methods which working exactly for the same year, for the 2019. And that methods which was working 5 years or 7 years ago right now is not working, so we're using only that which is working for today, and we're showing to the people how they can make the profit with that. So today we're gonna speak about the program, about the software which call it Skype, guys. Skype, what is this? I guess everybody know that, but for that people who don't know, this is the program for the communication. So people can communicate with each other through the Skype, yeah? They can do that on the 100%, and everybody use it already a long time. But most important, guys, you can make money with this. And in this video, I just want to explain you how you can do that, and will provide for you information how you can get all details about that. So guys, first of all, the Skype is the program with which one you can share the information, with which one you can communicate through the video calls, you can communicate through the voice calls, also you can text the messages. But also you can provide the information to the people about the business, you can provide information about that, what you have right now. Maybe if you have the shop, you can sell through the Skype. Maybe if you provide some opportunity, also you can give information to the people about that. And also you can teach other people through the Skype some skills, some different kind of the ways how to make money and all about that. But most important thing, guys, that the Skype is absolutely free, so you don't need to pay for that. You can download it from this site, exactly what you see right now on your screen. So I will place the link in the description, so if you don't have the Skype right now, you can go right there and download it on any of your device. It doesn't matter what kind of device you use right now. You can download it on the mobile phone, on the tablet, on the PC, on the laptop, doesn't matter. You can download it right now and start to make money with this. But I just want to explain you that how you can do that. Guys, you know, already more than 1 year and a half I making the great business. I'm really excited about that, and every time I'm trying to explain to the people when I want to wish them success, when I want to bring someone from the bottom to the top, I just explain in the opportunity. And through the Skype right now, it's really possible to make for everyone. But what we decide with my team to do is teach the people absolutely for free how they can do that, how they can make the money through the Skype, guys. So all you have to do, just learn some information. All you have to do, just 2-3 hours a day work. So what you have to do, just 2-3 hours a day work through the Skype, and you can make from $200 per week to the 1,000 and even more, guys. So if you will use these details which we will provide for you, you know, through the Skype or also through the WhatsApp, so you can start to make money really fast. You can start to understand how to do that. And I'm really excited about that, because it's the program which everybody can use absolutely free, and this software you can download it also free, so you don't need to pay for that, and you can get education about the business, and you can start to make the great income. So guys, with that products which we have right now in the company, with that incredible information which we have already for the more than 1 year and a half, with that experience, we can help many people worldwide, and this is absolutely exciting thing. So if you really wants to know how to make money with the Skype, how to do that, so I want to invite you on the really free call. So everybody who wants to start to make money online, they can call me absolutely free. My Skype also will be in the description, so I will show you personally for the first 50 people who will make me a call. I will show you all the process. We will deal about the timetable to provide the information, and exactly for today I need the 50 people who are really interested to make their money, who are really interested to change the life for the better. So it's absolutely free for the Skype. You don't need to pay anything. You can start to make the money with the great business which we provide, and we teach all details. So guys, if you're really interested in that and you wanted to get information really fast, so you must to provide the comment below of this video, yes, I'm interested, and provide your Skype so we can contact you and explain you. First 50 people will be really excited because they will get free education and they can make from the $500 per week and even more, guys. So don't waste your time, contact us right now. The Skype will be in the description. Don't forget to put the like. You can start to make money really fast. Absolutely everybody can do that. It's worldwide. All you need to have is just 2-3 hours per day and Skype. Guys, so let's do this together. This will be really great stuff. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.